Is your current blender leaving chunks in your smoothies, burning out after a few uses, making enough noise to wake the neighbors? With so many blenders claiming to be smoothie ready, how do you find one that's actually powerful, durable, and under $100? Most people buy the wrong one and end up with a weak motor, poor blade design, or worse, something that can't even crush ice. In this video, I've researched the top performing blenders for smoothies on Amazon US, all under $100. Watch till the end because this list is fully researched and will save you from wasting money. Chapters are in the description if you want to skip, but every pick here is worth a look. Let's be honest, buying a blender can feel like a gamble. Some sound powerful, but jam on frozen fruit. Others look great, but can't survive more than a few months. So how do you find one that's actually worth it? Start with motor power. For basic smoothies or protein shakes, 300 to 500 watts will do. But if you want to crush ice, blend frozen fruit, or make nut butters, look for 700 to 1000 watts. Blade design and jar shape matter too. Wide jars can cause ingredients to spin without blending, so choose models with tight blade to jar contact for better results. Next, capacity. If you're meal prepping or blending for the family, go with a 48 to 72 ounce jar. For single serve use, personal blenders in the 16 to 24 ounce range are ideal. Most budget blenders use plastic jars. Just make sure it's BPA free trite and for safety and durability. Controls? Pulse and variable speeds are great. Presets are a bonus, but not a must at this price. Planning to make hot soups or sauces? Double check that the jar is heat safe. Not all budget models are. And finally, look for a 1-year warranty and US-based support. It's your safety net if something goes wrong. Let's see the 5 top picks. Number 5. K-iOS Smoothie Blender. Tired of chaotic mornings? If you need smoothies on the go without the hassle, this blender might just be your new kitchen MVP. Don't let the compact size fool you. This little powerhouse packs 900 watts of blending force and hits speeds up to 23,000 RPM with pulse technology. It crushes ice, nuts, and berries without skipping a beat. Whether you're making a post-workout shake or prepping baby food, this compact blender handles it all with a single press. Weighing in at just under 4 pounds, it's light but sturdy. The included 22 ounces BPA-free cups are perfect for smoothies on the go. Snap-on lids with built-in hooks make them easy to carry, ideal for work, the gym, or class. The upgraded 6-leaf stainless steel blade is detachable, and KIOS even includes a cleaning brush for those hard-to-reach spots. Most parts are dishwasher safe, so cleanup's quick and easy. It's super simple to use, no buttons, just press and blend. Safety features ensure it only runs when locked in place, and a built-in fan and non-slip feet keep everything cool and steady. Real users love its power, especially for the size and price. Many even say it rivals more expensive cordless models in performance and value. Now, a heads up, some users have reported durability issues after about a month or a year, but with a 2-year replacement warranty and lifetime support, KIOS stands behind its product. Bottom line, it's a smart pick for students, smoothie lovers, or anyone who wants a reliable, everyday blender without blowing the budget. For the latest prices, do check the links in the description. Number 4. Magic Bullet Blender. Short on space, but big on blending? The Magic Bullet Blender could be your new kitchen sidekick. Weighing just 3.25 pounds and powered by a 250-watt high-torque motor, this compact, single-serve blender handles smoothies, sauces, dips, even a quick omelet mix in seconds. It comes as an 11-piece set with different cup sizes, resealable lids, and even a party mug. Perfect for quick meals or solo sips on the go. What's it made of? Durable, high-impact plastic built for daily use, and yes, it's dishwasher safe. Just toss in the cups and blades and cleanup's done. Users love how lightweight and compact it is, easy to use, easy to store. And for blending beginners, the included recipe guide helps you get started with 10-second meals. Now, the catch, it works best with soft fruits and liquids. Frozen berries or tough ingredients, you'll need to add water or cut them smaller. Some users call it fast and efficient, while others say it feels underpowered or doesn't last long. For warranty details, do contact the seller. Bottom line, if you're looking for a small and affordable blender for everyday light tasks, the Magic Bullet delivers. Think of it as your personal, pocket-sized prep buddy. Don't forget, all the best buying links are given in the description. Number 3. Black Plus DCKER Countertop Blender. Looking for a blender that gets the job done without breaking the bank? The Black Plus Decker Blender could be just what your kitchen needs. With 550 watts of peak power and 350 watts for regular use, it's ready to handle everything from creamy smoothies to hearty soups. The 48-ounce glass jar is durable, roomy, and designed with an ergonomic handle and easy pour spout, no mess. You get 12 speed settings plus a pulse option, giving you full control whether you're crushing ice or blending tomatoes to perfection. The real star? The Fusion Blade, a 4-point stainless steel blade designed to hit at multiple angles for smoother, more consistent results. When it's cleanup time, every removable part, including the blade, goes straight into the dishwasher. It fully disassembles, so deep cleaning is quick and easy. No weird odors, no crusty residue. It's simple, fast, and surprisingly powerful for the price. Some users say it blends a smoothie in seconds. Downsides? A few users noticed wear and tear after a few months, but you get a 2-year limited warranty for peace of mind. If you're after a solid, affordable blender that's easy to use and easy to clean, this Black Plus Decker is a great everyday pick, especially when you just need a quick blend and a quick rinse. For the latest prices, do check the links in the description. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. Need a budget blender that can crush your morning smoothie and power through frozen margaritas? Meet the Hamilton Beach Blender. With 700 watts of peak power and stainless steel ice saber blades, this blender packs a punch, especially when dealing with frozen fruit or ice. The wave action system pulls ingredients down toward the blades for smoother blends. No more shaking the jar or scraping the sides. The 40-ounce glass jar, lid, and blades are all dishwasher safe, so cleanup's a breeze. And with 12 functions controlled by just 5 clearly labeled buttons, it's refreshingly simple to use. Want to puree soup or crush ice for a slushie? Press a button, done. What do users say? Most love it for everyday smoothies and shakes. It's easy to clean, gets the job done, and offers solid value. But it's not perfect. Some mention the plastic base feels a little flimsy. Bottom line, this blender is made for quick, everyday use without breaking the bank. It's a reliable weeknight workhorse that delivers more than you'd expect for the price. Plus, the 3-year limited warranty adds extra peace of mind. You'll find it on Amazon. Check the links in the description. Number 1. Ninja Professional Blender. Want a blender that feels pro-level but fits your home routine? The Ninja Professional Blender delivers serious blending power. With 1000 watts and Ninja's total crushing technology, it turns ice to snow in seconds and powers through whole fruits and veggies, even tough ones like apples. Whether it's smoothies for one or frozen drinks for a crowd, the massive 72-ounce BPA-free pitcher, 64 ounces liquid max, has room to spare. The design, clean, modern, and built for function. It's corded with a solid base and removable blades, so cleanup's a breeze. Just toss the parts in the dishwasher and you're done. It even comes with a recipe guide to kickstart your smoothie game. And real users, they say it blends like a $200 machine, fast, smooth, no clumps. It's a go-to for anyone chasing restaurant-style results without the high price tag. Many also love how easy it is to use, with some calling the Auto IQ program a total time saver. Out of lakhs of users, only a small number reported the pitcher cracking within a few months, but it's backed by a 1-year limited warranty for added assurance. Bottom line, if you want a powerful, family-sized blender that doesn't mess around, the Ninja Professional is hard to beat. It's a kitchen powerhouse without the premium price. I hope you found the right blender under $100. Don't forget, links are in the description below, so check the latest price and grab it on Amazon. Want more budget kitchen picks? Then check out our video on the best mixer grinders under $150. It's packed with powerful options, like subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a deal.